In this video, I'll explain the advanced options for item numbering. In this case, I've selected the advanced option for project numbering from the system admin configuration screen. And you'll see here, this is the item number initial value. So if you have a brand new workspace and you start numbering, the numbers start at 1 by default. But let's say you want the number to start at 10,000. Then you can set the number to be 10,000, and then the very first project will start with at least 10,000. However, over here on the right, you'll see the current number in this workspace. The current number is 1857. If I set this to 10,000, the next project will be 10,001. However, if I set this to 1,000, then the next project's still going to be 1,857 because the numbering is above that. So you can change the current number by clicking the change button here, and then you can adjust that. So you can adjust it up or down. And if you readjust this to 1,000, then the next project will be 1,000, even though you might have 857 other projects. So that could create duplicates. So normally you don't want to set it down. You might set it above. So you can do that by changing the initial value to greater than where you already are by setting it to 10,000, then you'll be done. Or you can just change this number to 10,000. Either way, it'll work. The other factor here is item numbering digits. So if you need the number to start with 1, but it needs to be 5 digits long or 6 digits long, you can say 5. And then what'll happen is when you make your projects, it'll be 00001 like that because it's 5 digits. So that's a way to do that. Here you have a prefix. So in this case, the number of the project will be PL1, or actually the next one will be PL1857 because I have a prefix here. The cool thing about this prefix is you can use Project Insight Markup Language, or PIML as we call it, to dynamically source in data from the project itself. I'm not going to go over that in this video, but you can put PIML in there very often. People don't usually do that very often, but it is a capability. The other option is a suffix, same thing, dash, whatever. The suffix and the prefix do not include any kind of space. So if you wanted to have a number with a little dash in it, that'll create a space. Or you could put a space in there, but I recommend a dash. If you do not put a dash in there, then it'll look like PL1857 like that. So there's no spacing involved. If you need any kind of, every character is literal right from here. So here's a case for, let's say you want the suffix of the item number. This is how you would do it with PIML. You might want to have the number include $value start date, something like that on an item. So again, PIML is more advanced, so you may want to contact your customer success rep or support to get more information about how to do more sophisticated numbering schematics. The final part here is item name prefix and suffix. These are for the rare situation where if you want to create a project and always put in, dash dev or something like that at the end of the name, it'll actually put that suffix at the end of the name for you when you create an item. It won't update it. Only on the create do these name prefix and suffixes occur. So these are the advanced options for numbering. And if you need more information about this, please contact support.